Okay, we're going to go through a procedure to um, assemble your 7 parts of the Soma cube into an assembly. So what I have here is a model, and I'll show you this in a moment, how we set this up. That I have my 7 parts here unassembled. I actually put them all under one component. And then I have my assembled cube right here. So turn that on and off, or I can turn these on and off. And I'm going to show you how we set things up to do that first. So I'm going to go to this one here. And so this is just like, I have my 7 parts, and I'm going to make sure this is on the primary up here. And I'm going to create a new component, and I'm going to call this one 7 parts. New component. I click OK. And then I'm going to select each one of these parts and just move them in to that model. So now they're all under here. Okay. And I can just click this one on and off, and I can do that. Now I'm going to create another new component. Make sure this is the primary up here again. And I'm going to call this solution 1. And click OK. I'm going to still go back up to the main parent or primary right there, turn everything on. And then I'm going to actually come here back to my original 7 under the 7 parts component and select each one. Right click. I selected each one by holding down the shift key and clicking on each one. And I'm going to copy those, and then I'm going to go to this solution 1, right click, and I'm going to paste. Don't paste new. I don't know if it matters, particularly in this model, but right now that's the practice that we're going to do, so I'm just going to hit paste. Now when I go to paste it, it's pasting on top, so I'm just going to move it over here out of the way, taking that area or over there, and click OK. Now I have actually 2 sets of 7, and I can turn off my original like this. And in the next video, I'll show you how we go about assembling these. Actually, a few parts. I don't think I'll make a full video of all 7 parts, but I'll show you how we manipulate these to assemble them.